Welcome to the majestic world of Niagara Falls, a wonder that has captivated hearts for centuries. From the indigenous peoples who first revered its power to the millions who visit each year, the falls continue to inspire awe and wonder. Join me as we explore its secrets and stories, delving into the geological forces that shaped it and the cultural impact it has had on the world. Our journey will take us through the mists of time, tracing the footsteps of early explorers and uncovering the hidden wonders that lie beneath the surface. We will witness the sheer power of nature as millions of gallons of water cascade over the precipice. And we will learn about the delicate balance of the ecosystem that thrives amidst this watery realm. Our story begins long before the arrival of European explorers, with the indigenous peoples who first called this land home. The roar of the falls was a constant in their lives, a source of both reverence and fear. The earliest written account of Niagara Falls comes from Father Louis Hennepin, a Franciscan missionary who accompanied the French explorer René Robert Cavelier, Sieur de la Salle, in 1678. Hennepin's descriptions of the falls, though exaggerated in their measurements, captivated the imagination of Europe. He described a vast and prodigious cadence of water that fell from a horrid height, painting a picture of a natural wonder unlike anything seen before. These early accounts, passed down through generations and across continents, helped to solidify Niagara Falls in the world's consciousness. It became a place of legend and lore, a destination for adventurers and artists seeking to capture its raw beauty. But long before Hennepin put pen to paper, the falls held deep spiritual significance for the native Iroquois people. They called it Ongiara, meaning the strait, a testament to the powerful currents that shaped the landscape. Straddling the border between the United States and Canada, Niagara Falls is a testament to the power of nature to unite and divide. The falls themselves are actually three distinct waterfalls: the American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls, and the Horseshoe Falls. The American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls lie entirely within the United States, while the Horseshoe Falls, the largest and most impressive of the three, curves gracefully across the international boundary. The Niagara River, the lifeblood of the falls, flows north from Lake Erie, carrying the waters of the Great Lakes towards Lake Ontario and eventually the Atlantic Ocean. As the river approaches the falls, it narrows and picks up speed, creating a series of rapids that culminate in the dramatic plunge over the precipice. The falls have played a significant role in shaping the landscape of the region. The constant erosion of the bedrock over millennia has created the Niagara Gorge, a dramatic chasm that stretches for 7 miles downstream. Today, the falls continue to move upstream at a rate of about 1 foot per year, a testament to the relentless power of water. This geological marvel attracts millions of visitors each year, drawn by the opportunity to witness the sheer power of nature and to experience the unique beauty of this binational wonder. The sheer scale of Niagara Falls is difficult to comprehend until you are standing before it, feeling the mist on your face and hearing the roar of the water echoing in your chest. The American Falls, the smallest of the three, plunges a still impressive 75 to 100 feet, its waters crashing onto a massive pile of boulders that has accumulated at its base. Adjacent to the American Falls, the delicate cascade of the Bridal Veil Falls adds to the visual spectacle. Though smaller in volume, its uninterrupted drop of 90 feet creates a mesmerizing curtain of water that shimmers in the sunlight. But it is the Horseshoe Falls, a crescent-shaped behemoth that truly embodies the awe-inspiring power of Niagara. With a vertical drop of over 160 feet, more than half the height of the Statue of It is a sight that leaves visitors breathless. The depth of the water at the base of the Horseshoe Falls reaches an astounding 170 feet, a testament to the immense volume of water that thunders over its crest every second. To put that into perspective, that's equivalent to the height of a 17-story building submerged beneath the churning water. The story of Niagara Falls begins thousands of miles away, with a single raindrop falling on the vast expanse of the North American continent. This raindrop, joined by countless others, finds its way into streams and rivers, eventually flowing into the Great Lakes, a vast freshwater system that holds 1/5 of the world's surface freshwater. From the upper Great Lakes, the water flows through Lake Huron and Lake Michigan, eventually reaching Lake Erie, the fourth largest of the Great Lakes. Here, the water begins its final descent towards Niagara Falls, channeled by the Niagara River, a natural waterway that acts as a sluice gate between Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. As the river narrows and the gradient increases, the water gains momentum, rushing towards the precipice with increasing speed. The force of this flow, a constant reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet's water cycle, has carved the dramatic landscape we see today, shaping the falls and the gorge over millennia. So the next time you witness the spectacle of Niagara Falls, remember that you are witnessing not just a local wonder, but a testament to the vastness and power of the global water cycle, a journey that begins with a single raindrop and culminates in this breathtaking display of nature's power. The allure of Niagara Falls is undeniable, drawing millions of visitors from all corners of the globe each year. The thunderous roar of the water, the misty spray that hangs in the air, and the sheer scale of the falls create a sensory experience unlike any other, leaving a lasting impression on those who witness it firsthand. On average, over 30 million people visit Niagara Falls annually, making it one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Visitors come to marvel at the natural wonder, to experience the thrill of boat rides that take them close to the cascading water, and to explore the surrounding parks and attractions. The falls have become a symbol of natural beauty and a testament to the enduring power of our planet. They have inspired countless artists, poets, and musicians who have attempted to capture their essence in their work. The economic impact of tourism on both the Canadian and American sides of the falls is significant, supporting a thriving industry that provides jobs and revenue for the local communities. The falls are a powerful reminder of the importance of preserving our natural wonders for future generations to enjoy. The name Niagara itself holds a story, a link to the indigenous people who first inhabited this land. Derived from the Iroquoian word Ongiara, meaning the strait, the name reflects the important role the Niagara River played in the lives of the native people. The strait, formed by the river as it connects Lake Erie to Lake Ontario, was a vital waterway for transportation and trade, connecting communities and shaping their understanding of the surrounding landscape. The name Ongiara encapsulated the significance of this waterway, recognizing its power and its role in their lives. Over time, the name evolved, influenced by the languages and dialects of the various European explorers and settlers who arrived in the region. The French, the first Europeans to document the falls, adapted the name to Niagara, a phonetic interpretation that has endured to this day. The name Niagara, therefore, serves as a bridge between the past and the present, connecting us to the rich history and cultural heritage of the region. It is a reminder that the falls, though now a global icon, have long been a place of significance, their story woven into the fabric of human history. Gazing upon the immense chasm carved by the Niagara River, it's hard to imagine the audacity of bridging such a divide. Yet, the human drive to connect has resulted in a series of engineering marvels that stand as testaments to ingenuity and courage. Today, 4 bridges span the Niagara Gorge, each with its own story to tell. The first bridge to conquer the mighty Niagara was a suspension bridge completed in 1855. Known as the Niagara Suspension Bridge, it was a marvel of its time, carrying carriages and pedestrians across the gorge and solidifying the importance of the falls as a tourist destination. However, The unforgiving environment of the Niagara Gorge, with its constant spray and harsh weather conditions, took its toll on these early structures. Some met their demise due to natural forces, such as the collapse of the Honeymoon Bridge in 1938 under the weight of ice and wind. Today, the Rainbow Bridge, completed in 1941, stands as a symbol of international cooperation connecting the United States and Canada. Its arching span offers breathtaking views of all three waterfalls, making it a popular spot for photographers and those seeking a panoramic perspective of the natural wonder. These bridges are not just feats of engineering, but also symbols of human ambition and our desire to overcome natural obstacles in pursuit of connection and progress. They remind us that even in the face of such immense power, human ingenuity can find a way to coexist and even enhance the beauty of the natural world. Thank you for joining me on this breathtaking journey through Niagara Falls. We've journeyed from the depths of geological time to the heights of human ambition, witnessing the awe-inspiring power of nature and the enduring spirit of human curiosity. Remember, every drop of water that thunders over the precipice tells a story of ancient forces, ecological wonders, and the enduring allure of this natural masterpiece. Each visit unveils a new chapter, a new perspective on this timeless wonder. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and let the wonder of Niagara Falls inspire you to appreciate the beauty and power of the natural world around us.